Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing the March/April budget box from Plouise. So it's technically March's box, but we're just going to call it April's because that's when we received it. So this is what the box looks like. And I'm not going to lie, this month is a big one. I also just want to say this is my first video by filming in the new setup. I may have a couple coming after this that I pre-filmed, but this one I want to get out and edited and uploaded because it is current. I've just got the box. So I hope you all enjoy this video as well, and let me know what you think of the new setup. Got new lights as well, so we're currently experimenting with them, trying to make it all right, so there may be some changes here and there, but this is currently how it's going to be. If you want to see any products that I'm using in this video, including my lighting, my setup, the Plouise products, they're all linked in the description box, but let's just get on with this and jump straight into opening it. So this package says, officially in my birthday era, which is quite iconic because the last one we got, so like February into March's, I actually received on my birthday. So let's open this up. Like I said, it's a big one. Doesn't have as many products in this month as we've been getting, but the products are huge. I'm going to save the best one to last because I'm so excited to play with that. But I'm going to go with these first. So the first thing that we've got is this here, which is a Plouise lip base. But we've got not one, not two, but three different shades of this. I've already got three of these from a previous budget box, probably last year now. I really like them, but they weren't really in shades that I use as much, unless I was like, you know, combining it with another lip product, like blending it out with that, because I wouldn't wear them just that colour on their own. Like this one here, I wouldn't wear it just on its own. But obviously I can use it with the darker line, we can blend it out, we can make it work. But these two here I think are absolutely stunning and I'm so excited to try them. I'm going to do a swatch of all three because I'm going to use them all. It's just I wouldn't use this one necessarily on its own. So this is the first one, which is in the shade Butter Queen. I love the formula of these. They're so silky and really, really nice colour payoff. So that's the first one. Then we've got this one, which I think this is going to be my favourite. This is in the shade Life of the Party. I feel like I will love this one the most. Look at that. That is definitely my kind of shade. And then the third one, which is in the shade Chocolate Pudding. I'm so here for the name. But I feel like it was a little bit deep for me. But it is still really nice. Those are three shades. I think they are really nice. This is going to get mucky very easily though, so let's just clean that off before putting the lid back on. So yeah, I'm really excited to try those. Shall we see if there's any scent? Oh, there is a scent. Are they chocolatey? I'm not sure what they are. They smell really nice, but I can't put my finger on what that scent is. Then we've got a three-piece brush set. I think this is a third, possibly the fourth three-piece brush set I've had from Plouise through the budget boxes. Not complaining because I love them. I also think the packaging is iconic. So this is a magnetic lid that just comes off. But this one is in the shape of a whisk this time, which I love. And then inside here you get three brushes. I'll be honest, I think this is my favourite brush set we've received out of the, you know, the three sets. A lot of them you get like three of the same type of brush, which is nice. Like you might get like flat brushes, which are great for your cut crease, but you'll get three different sizes of the same one, which is great because you've got ones that do different things. But in here, these are my three most used eyeshadow brush types in here, which I'm so excited about. So we've got a really nice flat one, which is, like I said, great for your cut creases and things like that. Packing glitter on, carving out your eyes. Oh, that sounded horrible. Then we've got quite a nice sized fluffy brush. Looks really good. This is a E92 brush. And then we've got a similar one, but it is smaller. So this is great for doing more precise work, which is that one there. This is an E93 brush, and that flat one was a E91. That's really good, adding some more little brushes to my collection. I must have hundreds of Plouise brushes now. I do love them though, they are really, really good quality. For me, Plouise and Real Techniques are definitely my favourite when it comes to brushes. Although I think that Shein's Beauty Tools, their brushes are quite underestimated, they're really nice. So this is the fifth, as I call it, double decker palette from Plouise that I've got. And I love it. If you can see inside, these sprinkles move around and it has got a layer down here and one up here. So let's look in this one first. I believe we've got 21 shades per layer. Yeah, 21 shades per layer. And I'm sorry, how beautiful is this colour, sorry? That is unreal. I'm really excited to try some of these shimmers, especially this one. This is really different for Paige. I've not seen her do one like that before. It's kind of like a marble with different colours in there. Then we'll have a look at the top layer. So I was going to, and I know I say this quite a lot, but I was going to cancel my subscription for a little while, mainly for financial reasons. It does get expensive buying this month after month. Bear in mind it is only £30, but having this with like any other subscriptions and like TV subscriptions and like things that I buy, like I've bought this entire setup, my new lights, like it does get expensive. I was going to, however, I saw a sneak peek of this palette and that is why I didn't cancel this month's subscription, which I was so tempted to, but as soon as I saw a sneak peek I was like, I need that palette. And the value you get for money in these boxes, I know I say it every month, but it is crazy. Like we've got this palette, 3 lip product and 3 brushes all for £30, which I think is pretty nuts. Like it is insane the amount that you get. I think I prefer the top layer to the bottom one this time, which is different. Look at the shades in there. They are so pretty. I do apologise for going a little bit dark when I'm showing products. I will try fix that, but I'm obsessed. Let's do some swatching. Fingers crossed, I think is one of my favourite shades. It's a gorgeous blue. She's blowing up as a really nice purple. And then I want to try this one, which is a gorgeous like burgundy. Look at those 3, they're gorgeous. Let's do, oh no, I've already swatched my hand, we'll swatch my arm. Very pigmented, very nice. Okay, they are definitely a win. I think my favourite is this middle one. I think these 3 go really nicely in a look together though. They're really nice, but I want to swatch a few shimmers. And I do really want to try that lip product on because it just looks absolutely gorgeous. Let's swatch shimmers from the second layer. Okay, there's one called Layers of Love which looks unreal. Look at that. Oh wow. Okay, I've run out of places to swatch. Let's just go into my bracelet. Oh wow, it looked like a silver in the pan, but on the skin it's actually got like a purpley kind of like hint to it, which is stunning. Let's go on my other arm for some more. And we're going to go with Party Animal, which is that one that's got a few different shades kind of mixed into it. Oh, that's really pretty. That's stunning. And then finally I'm going to go in with Goodie Bag. Oh wow, this is quite a crumbly one, which I don't mind a crumbly shimmer. It shows how pigmented it is. It's just you've got to do your eyes before your face when you've got one like this because the fallout can be a lot. That's really pretty. It's got a lot of, it really just catches the light. It's got a lot of reflection. It really catches the light there. I absolutely love that. I think that palette is an absolute 10 out of 10. I think that's stunning. So I've just gone in with a little bit of my Rimmel lip liner. Oh my god, this stuff is literally coming out. This is quite a messy applicator. But yeah, I've just used some of my Rimmel lip liner in the shade Cappuccino. I just blended that out and smudged it out. I'm just going to go with a little bit of this on my lips. And then blend. Okay, it's nice but it's very pigmented, like you only need the tiniest bit. Then a lot comes out. I think it's nice, but it is very pigmented, and like a lot of products is literally just coming out, like I'm not even squeezing it and a lot is coming out. So it's quite a messy product. I'm just gonna have to get rid of that because there's no way of getting it back in. So it is quite a messy product, but it's nice. It feels nice on the lips, it's drying down quite nicely. I like it. I'm going to do like the world's quickest eyeshadow look with this because I really want to try this palette out. I'm really attracted to them blues and purples. I'm going to go in the top layer. I'm going to start off with this shade here, which is Fingers Crossed, which is that really nice light blue that we swatched. And I'm just doing a really light layer of this through my crease. It's really pretty. I just want to do a really quick look. I don't want to spend like hours on it. That is super pigmented. For a pastel, that is really pigmented. Sometimes I really struggle to find nice pastel shades that actually have some pigment to them without them being either white or just non-existent. But that is really nice. I'm going to go into the blue that's next, which is called Hip Hip Hooray, because this does have like a bit of a green tint to it. I want to add a little bit more blue in. So I'm going in with that blue and just going over like green. Yeah, that's had a really nice blue like cool tone to it. Then I think I'm going to go with that smaller brush, because we're using the brushes that came in the budget box, and I'm going to go in with the colour She's Blowing Up, which is that purple we swatched. I'm just going to get some of that. Oh, that looks really pigmented. I'm literally running that through my crease. This is not what I was going to go for at all. I was going to do like a nude look with a pop of pink in the inner corner. But after those swatches, I just could not resist. I feel like it's quite a florally spring kind of vibe look as well, because I've not done anything pastel for a while, and spring is, well, spring's kind of sprung now. Going right through my inner corner with that, blending that out, bringing it up a little bit. Same thing at this side. Then I'm going to go in with What You Wish For, which is just a little bit of a darker purple. And I'm just going to do that right into my inner corner there. Just add a little bit more dimension, a bit more depth, which is really pretty colour. And same thing on this side. This is how it's looking. I'm just adding a little bit of shimmer in, which is the shade Layers of Love, which is beautiful. It's like a wet kind of shimmer. It's absolutely gorgeous. That's from the second layer of the palette. And that is how it's looking. I'm going to leave it at that because I don't want to go too overboard, but I think it's really pretty. I really, really like that palette. That's how it's looking. So that's it. That's the full budget box unboxed, tried on. I'm really impressed. I think it's one of my favourites for a little while now because I love that palette. I love the colours in it. I love the colour story. I think the brushes are really nice. The lip products are really nice. Like I said, they're a little bit messy, but it worked. It looks nice. So that is it. That's the full unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!